Hello dancers and welcome. If you're new to my channel, I am Tiekka and this is Everyday Ballet, where we bring gorgeous, authentic classical ballet to adult learners. If you're brand new to ballet or if you're returning to ballet, Everyday Ballet is authentic ballet training designed for you. Now I'm just so excited. We are in part 6 of our Waltz of the Flowers choreography. And if you need to catch up with us, definitely check out the Waltz of the Flowers playlist for the tutorials and the choreography. And remember, like, subscribe, share, bring a friend. And if you want some more detailed ballet training, you want my entire program, definitely check out everydayballet.com. We have a whole bunch of training options, including Zoom, on demand, and of course my ballerina body training platform. I would just love to share more ballet with you. I'm so delighted you're here. Let's ballet. Today I have a Cosmo vibe for my flower of the day. Have you picked your flower that you are today? I hope so. Okay, so hopefully you've been practicing. We are now going to incorporate pas de chat into our choreography. So it's going to be helpful to remember where we left off before we continue. Now, we are getting into this dance pretty deep, and so instead of going back the entire 5 minutes, we're going to go back to section 5 so that we can review that and see where we left off. Standing in B+, so that we will be ready to step off the back foot going that way. It's going to pick up at the very end of part 4. Here we go. Step on the back foot, point to the corner. Smooth your skirt. Bourrée across, cross the wrists. Push, and a push, and turning, changing feet, open the arms. And again, back foot, point. Smooth the skirt, bourrée, and cross the wrists. Push, and a push, and a turn. Now balancez forward. Balancez to the front corner. Reach for the back corner, and back corner. To the wall, and to the diagonal. Step sous-sus, change feet. Sous-sus, arms up. Balancez front corner. That's it. Back corner. To the side. Releve. Up. Sous-sus. Sous-sus, bring the arms up. Step. Point, other diagonal. Smooth. Bourrée. Cross the wrist. Push. And a push. Circle. And bring them with you, walking around. Good. Open, open. Good, and now we start part 6. And I don't know if you can hear that little bit of music, but we have a repeat of a phrase we're already very, very familiar with. So let's go over what we're going to be doing. So we begin in B+, we're going to start with our balancés. Now, the bottom half is the same. Down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up, up. We're just going to have some different arms here. So let's go over what those are. So we're going that way, as we always do. And we're going to take the fingertips up in a diagonal. You can look up towards those fingertips, right? So you're on a diagonal with the arms, and you go down, up, up. Now, as you come back, you sweep down, up, up. And then again, down, up, up, down, up, up. Let's try it a couple more times. Sweeping. That's it. Down, up, up, down, up, up. Good. Okay. When I was actually a young dancer, they used to make us reach for the top corner, and then they'd put something on the floor. We'd have to pick it up as we came back, because that's how much you want to try to bend. But don't worry about that too much. Okay, so we've done 4 balancés. The first one is up. The second one is down. Third one is up. Fourth one is down. Now we do our releve arabesque. Remember your box. You're going to the side wall. If releve arabesque doesn't feel right for you, you can also just step and point as we did in the first version of this section. So we do a releve or step, and then we do passe or step, and then we lunge, and now as we step forward, we're gonna open the arms overhead. So just bigger arms here. Now we're ready to go to the other side. We go up, down, up, down, and now releve or step, lunge, step forward, arms open. So we're just building our energy and our joy. Let's go over that one more time, particularly paying attention to that second side. So from B+, we go up to the corner, down, and sweeping up and down. Back foot, arabesque, passe, lunge, arms up. Now back foot, we go up, sweeping down. Remember that toe is always going to the back there. Down, and then to the side, to the corner, on the diagonal, and then up and open. Excellent. Okay, so that is the first part. Now the second part is where we're going to incorporate this pas de chat. So we start as we have in these other versions of this section, which is with the sauté arabesque. We're going to go back to the arms being open. So we're going to go towards the back foot, towards that side of our box. So we go sauté and then chassé. Sauté, and instead of doing a chassé back the other way or coming through and cutting the toe, we're going to come through, and now you're going to do a pas de chat here. So remember, it's the back foot that's lifting. I'm doing slow motion here. Pas de chat, plie, sous, and then lift that back foot. And now we go out to the other side. Sauté, chassé, sauté, through, pas de chat, plie, sous, back foot. Sauté, chassé, sauté, through, pas de chat, lift the arms, plie, up, and foot, and then we're gonna walk around. And now we're ready for what comes next. So that's all it is. It's kind of a repeat, the third time through of that basic sequence we learned in the very beginning. So let's go over that second part once again, the sautés. So from our B+, going towards the side of our box, we go sauté, chassé, sauté, through, pas de chat, sous, and take up the back foot. And then step sauté, chassé, sauté, through, pas de chat, lift the arms, up, back foot, sauté, sauté, through, last one, pas de chat, sous, and up, and then remember, take them with you as you run around, and then we are going to open and open once again. All right, we're going to listen to the end of section 5 so that we can do section 6. And then we're going to try that a couple of times. Then we're going to put it all together with the whole thing. This is becoming quite the ballet challenge. It's very cardiovascularly, very intense as you are moving for such a long duration. Of course, keeping that beautiful posture. All right, standing in B+. So this is the end of when we're walking around, and we've just opened up, and we're going to start our balancés this direction. This is us walking around. Open, open, balancé up, and sweep it down. Up and down. To the side, to the corner, to the diagonal, and open, other side, sweeping up, down, up, and down, side, corner, lunge, now sauté, one arm, together, and through, pas de chat, sous, and back foot. Good. Pas de chat, sous, back foot. That's it. Through, last one. Pas de chat, sous, back foot. Take them with you. And up, open. Good, yes. So just at the very end, instead of opening out low, we're getting bigger as the music is getting bigger. So that's what we're doing with taking the arms up. Let's do that one more time, and then we're gonna go back and put it all together. Standing in B+, nice and tall. Really let your heart be warm and open. Feel the sunshine on your shoulders. So that's walking around, opening, balances. Sweeping up, sweeping down. Sweeping up, sweeping down. To the side, to the corner. On the diagonal, open other side. Balance it. Up. That's it, to the side. Side, corner. Lunge, sautés down. One arm through. Pas de chat, susu, back foot. And through. Pas de chat, susu, back foot. Last time, through. Pas de chat, susu, back foot. Coming around. Taking them with you. Lift, lift, good. Wonderful work. So now we put it all together. Remember to breathe, keep it small. Try to have delight as you move. Call, turn the other way, bend, call, and stepping forward, open, open, and you here, dance, open. Bourrées, nice tight feet, beckon, beckon, circle the fingertips down and around, taking the back foot and point, and taking the back foot, it becomes the front, and bringing the arms down and around, stepping back, smoothing your skirt, and coming up, and blossoming in the sun. Stepping down, back foot comes forward. Open, open. Here we go. Balance, balance. You can let the head go over that standing leg. Step and point. Step, toe to ankle, lunge, and open. Very generous feeling. Down, up, down. Up, down, up, down. Step to the side, corner, lunge, open. Here we go. Sauté, sauté, chassé, sauté, through. Back, side, front, susu, back foot. Sauté, chassé, sauté, through. Back, side, front, and cut the toe, and now other way. Through. Open out. Susu, up. Last time. And through. Back, side, front. Good. Add the arms if you like. Otherwise, continue like you did in the first section. Releve arabesque if you like. Passe. Lunge, and open, other way. Soft wrists. Good. To the side, side, and corner. Lunge. Now 2 arms on the sauté. Sauté, and sauté, through. Back, side, front, susu, back foot. 2 arms. 2 arms through. Back, side, front. Releve passe. That's it. Back, side, front. Susu, back foot. Last set. Back, side, front. Releve. Now step and point. Smooth your skirt. Bourrée. Cross the wrist. Pushing back pushing back, circle, and open the arms. And back foot, point, smooth. Break, cross, push, and a push, and a circle. And now balance forward, balance back, back. Releve, arabesque, releve, passe, susu, susu, other way. Balance, balance, back, back. Releve, arabesque, releve, passe, susu, susu. Bring the arms up. Step with the back foot, point, smooth the skirt. And up and over. And a push, and a push, and a down, up. Bring them with you. Open, open, new part. Down, up, down, and a releve, and a releve, and a lunge, arms up. Good, bigger arms this time. And up, and down. Releve or step, and up, and out. Almost there. One arm saute. Saute, and saute through. Pas de chat, susu, back foot. Saute, saute through. Pas de chat, susu, back foot. Are you breathing? It's really important. Pas de chat, susu, back foot. Coming around. Good. Up, up. I hope you enjoyed that. Remember, if you did, like, subscribe, share, bring a friend to do the dance along with you. And if you want that more specific, more detailed ballet training, I have a whole program just for you. So definitely go over to everydayballet.com. Thanks again for joining me. And until next time, happy dancing.